The land knows how to heal, the science knows how to prove it, and the market is starting to listen. Regenerative agriculture is already happening and it needs to go further. Indigenous peoples and traditional communities have been practicing it for generations. It restores soil, water, and biodiversity, strengthening livelihoods, supply chains, and the connection between people and the land. Now, it needs to scale. The Regenerative Agriculture Forum 2026 is where the conversation deepens. This is an invitation to radical collaboration. Farmers and activists, scientists, researchers, NGOs, indigenous leaders, investors, and youth, exchanging knowledge, building trust, and a shared future for agriculture. June 23rd, Piracicaba, Brazil, and online worldwide from anywhere in the world. Convened by Sun, Imaflora, GLF, and CABI. Get your tickets now. Regenerative Agriculture Forum 2026, accelerating the transition.